Welcome to Car Auto Zone. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Audi S8, a luxury performance sedan that perfectly blends elegance, speed, and advanced technology. If you're looking for a high-end executive car that also satisfies your need for power, the S8 is ready to impress. On the outside, the 2026 S8 maintains its signature clean and bold Audi design, but adds sharper lines, a wider grille, and sleek LED digital matrix headlights. The body is sculpted for both luxury and aerodynamics, giving it a powerful stance that's hard to ignore. Under the hood, the new S8 is expected to carry an updated 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, possibly paired with mild hybrid technology. This setup should deliver over 570 horsepower, allowing the S8 to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just about 3.5 seconds, all while maintaining a quiet, composed ride. Inside, Audi brings out the best in modern luxury. High-grade leather, carbon fiber, or wood trim, and a fully digital cockpit make the cabin feel like a futuristic lounge. The rear seats are tailored for first-class comfort with massage features, individual climate zones, and full infotainment controls. Tech-wise, it's packed with the latest Audi AI systems, predictive suspension, and semi-autonomous driving features. The 2026 S8 is not just about speed, it's about smart, refined driving. Thanks for watching Car Auto Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest luxury cars. See you next time.